Thanks. Pleco says turn on blue light filter, that helps the eyes a little. Okay, good tip.
We got a lantern in the car. Just don't know how long we're gonna stay.
Yeah.
We don't plan nothing, boys. We always go by feeling. Fill out the situation and how we usually react to it.
Putty says, I remember watching that Aussie guy video called Kevin the Bleep. There was some funny content.
I think you still got line going to the water.
Yeah, actually, still right there. I haven't dealt with it yet.
Oh, yeah. Snag that
Right there.
Alright, I'll let you go deal with that. Here, give me your phone. I'll try to deal with this.
Deal with that?
Don't read that. Deal with it.
Deal with it. What do we got? Unseen Eyes gifted a tier 1 to Putty. Thank you so much, Unseen. Welcome, welcome, Putty. Not that you're not been welcome before, but that's awesome, Unseen. Thank you.
Ooh, that hook sharp.
I know, I got to poke my finger.
Alright, I'm gonna pack up now. Turn on these left now. No more, of course it's getting dark. Don't want to lose it too. I'll keep them in the side pocket.
One more time.
Put another piece of shrimp on there.
I have two on there.
It's this one, isn't it?
Oh, maybe it is. Let's see. We haven't even had dinner yet, guys. I won't be cooking soup tonight.
No, we'll fill it out. See how long we can go. Hate to leave on a 8 pound, almost a 11 pound or a 9 pound fish.
Yeah. Isn't the Unseen is amazing.
No, yeah, he's such a big thing to this fishing community. It's just
There's so many amazing people in this community, honestly. Like,
yeah. And he's one of them. Oh. Coming along.
what the fuck is going on? I think it wrapped around the tip.
It's not wrapped around the tip.
Then I don't know what it's doing.
Oh, it should be faster now. Faster now. That's good. Just ease it out. There you go. So, heads up, tomorrow, you guys, if we get the apartment, we don't know how much streaming we're going to do. We'll just have to fill out the situation. If we don't get the apartment, we'll be streaming all day.
Yeah. All right, Eric, you have a great night. Thanks for hanging out.
Thank you.
Flacco says apartment is more important right now.
Heck yeah.
Crochet says we'll miss you, but I hope you get it.
Yeah. It's a real nice place too, Crochet.
It is.
Again, with the utilities included.
Yeah.
2 blocks from the river. It couldn't be no better. Unless there was a grocery store and a bait store right next to it. But
She says MM says it would be perfect for you.
yeah, it's awesome.
There is a little grocery store down the road from him, and the gas station has a lot of convenience items as well for him. We're just going to have to stock up. Walmart is about 3 miles from him, and he has no car. There's a bus system, but we don't know where and when and how it all runs in there, so
It's all going to work out.
I'm going to have to buy him a bunch of groceries before I leave in case I can't come back for a little bit. Get him everything he needs. Got to figure out how he's going to do his laundry if he gets it too.
Oh, in the river.
Okay. Sandy says bike donation. Heck, yeah, that would be cool.
Yeah, it would.
That would help him a lot.
Everything's going to be fine though. It's all going to work out. You guys done so much.
And Flacco says electric bike.
You guys have done so much for us. And, wow.
I don't know, Shockwave, how he'll get shrimp to fish with, but we might have to stock up, fill his freezer. Honestly, don't know.
We'll figure it all out.
Unseen says you need a little white basket to carry your stink bait.
Yeah.
Sandy says the pink frilly things on the handlebars.
Yeah. Low horn.
Crochet says a small scooter or a skateboard, lol. He used to skateboard, guys.
I can't skateboard. Can't skate. Alright. Sweatshirt time. Or sleeve shirt time or something.
Sandy says 2 fishing rod holders built in the handlebars.
Yeah. I watched 1 rod and 1 reel. I think of the 2-year-old video. Right in my face.
Yeah. No, there's no washer and dryer in the apartment, MM. Yeah, that's true, but he's kind of shy, an introvert of sorts, honestly. It's true. MM says all you have to do is go to the local cafe or a bar and you'll become a local. People will help you out. It's a good area.
Yeah, I'm not worried. I can make it, Chuck. I made it in a worse time than that last.
But look at this. Eric posted some fishes.
Last winter, I made it in a freaking town that had nothing.
And he tried to blend in there and it didn't work.
Yeah, I couldn't blend in that
You
little
could
town.
in Grand Forks, though.
Yeah. Grand Forks is a much bigger town.
Yeah. Sandy says, are they going to be like, who the fuck is this guy?
Oh yeah, I went to a bar and everyone just looked at me and stared at me. I'm like, oh wow.
And that.
Nice. Are you looking at these, Sandy?
You're looking in our Discord. Eric is posting some pictures of some beautiful trout.
Oh yeah, not one. Nice. These trout always look so fake to me, man. They're just like, you know, I never got to go catfishing. And you got Pleco. Pleco's catfish.
Sandy says, okay, trout, off it is.
So this is what happens when we nighttime fish. What happens when we nighttime fish?
As soon as it gets dark, the mosquitoes bite and the fish don't.
Like everyone says, go catfishing at night. Go catfishing at night. We can never get a bite at night.
No.
Ever.
Never, never.
I watched Double Plays tear it up last night.
Yeah.
We go catfishing at night, we don't get a bite.
Sandy says, dare you to beat that fish I posted. He posted a little tiny one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he'll do just fine.
Getting a bite again? Oh shit, that's a big bite. Get my pole. Get him? Yeah. Let me get my pole out your way.
See that he came off, or he's really little?
Yeah. Still on me.
Just little.
Little. That's fine. Not a fish at nighttime.
I'm gonna get snagged in this spot.
I got snagged in that spot there. Man, we're together again.
You get slapped just now? Water skim. Alright guys. I don't know how much you can see anymore. I don't know where the pliers are, Shane.
I put them in the bag. I just showed you last time.
Oh my god. Just showed ya. Alright. You can see that? Little beauty?
Will you show me the pliers when you're done, baby?
Yeah.
I'm going to have to break this. Break it, break it. Go ahead.
Pliers.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Good stuff. I think it's getting a little grainy.
Yeah, it does that at night.
It's looking really awful, actually. Yeah, it's great. We're catching fish. Well, we didn't just get a new battery. We could turn the car lights on.
No.
Of course. I have you blue.
I'm over here yanking my rod. Don't mind me, guys.
I already showed them. Hey, Ophio!
Oh, yeah.
That's what's going on. Ophio just subscribed.
Oh, he wants to come over here and yank my rod with me?
This is 4 months for Ophio, and he said, wee! Sandy says not even going to tell you what that looks like in the dark. Good stuff.
I know how to yank a rod now.
You do?
If anyone knows how, it's me.
Yeah, it's you?
Yeah.
Uncle Wayne says if you have 1,000-pound test line, you could have pulled it out with the car.
Well, I don't know what kind of mess I got going on here. Who's saying that kind of fishing fun, boys? Can't see Jack Diddley. Alright, I gotta go get the lantern. I got some type of mess.
You do.
Thank you, Ophio. Thank you, brother.
You bet. Well, Ophio, we've been going.
Got your name right.
Yeah. We've been going for about 6 hours.
Yeah, but we drove.
Yeah, we had a drive in between. We had no fish the first bit, and we had a bunch of fish now at this spot, but then it's getting dark.
Oh, put a new one on them.
Oh, are you going to tell?
Go ahead, you tell.
I didn't want you to tell. We put a new one on the catfish board today.
I'll tell you what it weighs, Ophio, because you're in the tournament. I'll keep it a secret.
Yep, can't tell you.
There might be a clip or two out there.
Yep, might be. He's got a mess over there.
Hell of a mess.
Ooh. He says, hope you guys get it. Well, that one won't do it, probably. But we'll keep trying. Well, every time we get a bigger one, we'll add them in.
We still got a week, don't we?
Yeah, we're on day 6.
There's plenty of time.
Yep. Ophio says he got skunked today.
Isn't that happened, Ophio?
Sandy wants to get up close in your face.
Right?
I am. Whoa, there you go. In his face, Sandy.
I really don't know what I got going on here. It's a disaster.
Sorry to hear you got skunked today, Ophio. That sucks.
Just yank your rod a little bit. It'll get better.
Give you some warm, fuzzy feelings or something? What are you talking about?
Maybe I'll push it up like this. Probably should retie this. It's so dark, I'm just going to put strip on it and toss it up there.
Ophio says, that's part of fishing.
Oh, definitely. So the next time you go out and catch that 12-pounder, it feels good. Ophio done a little Richard Gene imitation, didn't it?
Unseen asked if Sandy needed a new clip because he asked me to put the camera up in your face.
Man, you know what happened?
No.
I just bent my hook.
Oh, darn.
I'm not smooth. That face on the hook. This could just be all bad. My thing to do would be retie all this. Hook on.
Them are some nice trout, Sandy, you posted. Woo. Oh, yeah. Chopper says, I got a bass tonight, but I didn't stream it.
Oh, nice shot. Alright, so this is the second time I've rebuilt this hook. I'm doing it again.
You are.
Yeah. It worked out for me.
Yeah.
Caught my biggest fish in the past couple of days. I'm not losing this hook, so I have to.
Sandy says, need to step away for dinner. Later, guys. Be safe. Maybe back.
Enjoy your afternoon, evening.
Oh, yeah.
shit.
There's a person without a leash on a dog over there. And it's barky. I don't like that. Is the car open?
Why, you gonna run towards the car?
Hell yeah. It comes over here.
I got you, baby. I'll ride that pony.
I don't like it when dogs are loose and they're barking.
Yeah, when it's dark and you can't see it. You really want to get that. I'll ride that pony for you. Alright, you gonna cast back out? What you doing here?
Not casting back out.
Why? Too dark for you?
Yeah.
You ready to give up?
Getting there.
Alright, you fish for about 10 more minutes.
Mm.
10 more minutes, baby.
I'm getting hungry.
I know you're getting hungry. 10 more minutes.
I haven't eaten all day.
You have ate today.
Not since 11. It's already 8.
10 more minutes, baby.
Unseen says there's still no blue or flatheads submitted.
Well, we got to give Jason the picture. And the double plays out catching those bad boys.
Yeah, we can't catch either one of those where we at right now.
No, but we get double plays. Jason, yeah, and Jason, one man.
Mm-hmm. Powell says need some PB&J. Yep, I'd love that.
So what do they see on the camera, baby? Can you tell me?
They see you.
They can see me?
Yep.
All right.
Maybe not very great, but they see you.
Look on there.
Yeah, you're okay.
All right. So we're going to try it for 10 more minutes, boys. You heard the lady. She's hungry. We're going to have to get her some food. The park sounded a little crazy. I'm going to get my pocket knife out. Sounding a little crazy down here right now. Got the screaming and bells.
All right, Crochet, you have a great night. Thanks for coming in. Crochet's off too.
Good night, Crochet. Thank you for tapping in. Break the pole down?
Yep, it's already cleaned up.
All right.
Yesterday we were napping in the car. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
And all of a sudden we hear this tink, 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 like a dog leash or a dog
collar.
collar. There was a dog out there. I mean, it was fine. The owner was right there. But surprised us. We woke up to a dog collar. Tink, tink, tink. It sounded weird.
Well, can you find a Ziploc baggie for the shrimp?
Yes, sir, I can.
Please.
Yep. I know where they are.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. You don't even have to go get them in the morning.
Yeah. So if we don't hear from the renter early, we'll just go ahead and start the stream up about 8 or 9. And if we get a call, we might just end it.
Yeah, because we still have to bring them stuff.
They're going to need a deposit and the rent.
Hopefully, just 10 days of rent.
That's all we about got right now.
Yeah. That battery kicked our butts. Yeah, we night streaming, buddy. It don't happen often, but we are here.
We can't touch fish at night, buddy.
Usually not.
Yeah. We have a hard time.
One time in Alabama, we stayed up late streaming.
Did you catch about a 15-pounder?
14 something, I think it was. At like 1 in the morning. It was so awful. All night we sat there, listening to raccoons scurrying around behind us, and that was creepy. And one fish.
Big old flathead you got.
How long are we where, Ash? In this area or fishing today? We're probably gonna end the fishing here shortly. Out in this area, we're gonna be for a little while. Shane will be in Grand Forks for a few months while I go. Yeah, fishing today. We're almost done. Yeah, it's getting dark. We haven't eaten since 11 o'clock this morning. Our tent is in the woods kind of thing, all in the dark by itself with no lights, and you never know what kind of creepy crawlies are out there.
Ain't worried about no creepy crawlies.
Blue Manchu says, "Hey you two, sorry I haven't caught up lately. Been busy due to harvest."
Oh, nice.
Well, it keeps you busy. It's all good.
What's your harvest? Corn? Potato?
Ash says Bigfoot. Never know. We have a bunch of foxes close to the camp.
Oh, yeah, and I've never heard fox.
He was like, "What is that?" I'm
They
like,
sound like coyotes, but do a
"Yippier."
little- Huh?
Yippier.
Yeah, a little bit more yippy. And there's shitloads of them, like, everywhere.
Yeah.
Once one starts calling, they all start calling.
It's different than coyotes and definitely not wolves. So wolf howl, if I heard that while I was in the tent, I'd be sleeping in the car. Guaranteed. Yeah, we should be up around 8 or 9 Central Time tomorrow morning for fishing again. So we may try this spot again, but I don't think
Nah, probably not. I don't like it.
it's great for the bites, but it's hard to get the fish because of the way the current takes the lines around the corner. Ophia says he heard a fox for the first time a couple years ago, thought it was a lady screaming.
Yeah, they're weird, man.
If you wait till you hear a mountain lion. Where my kids grew up, we lived on the edge of a big valley on the off to the west of us, and there was cougars out there, a lot. Actually, one day I took my kids for a walk down the gravel road, and I saw something up ahead, like way up in the tree. There was a bush beside the road, and I saw something in the tree ways up, and I started to get this really uneasy feeling as we got closer to it, and so I decided to turn the kids around and go back. My youngest was still in a stroller. She was pretty little. My kids are 3 years apart in age, so oldest one was walking. I think she was probably 4. The other one was probably 1. And I got back to the yard, and I sent someone to go check what it was, and it was a cougar. She was sitting in the tree with her tail swinging, watching us walk.
Yeah, man.
They'll pounce and they'll take your kids, yeah.
Grab a hold of your neck.
Yeah, and we've had instances in Canada where coyotes have attacked and taken little kids. when they get really bad. So it's kind of scary out there sometimes. You know.
This one says one night bite.
Fu Manchu says no, not quite corn or potatoes. You can look on Discord. I posted one of the grows.
Oh, nice.
Ophio says back home the seabirds sleep in burrows and it's legit sounds like babies crying. Ah. Putty says coyotes. What the fuck? Yeah, I think it was in Alberta, Putty, that they were coming into town and attacking people's cats and dogs, and they tried to get a little kid, I heard. There were so many of them. It is horrible. And when a cougar or a mountain lion lets out a yowl, the hair on the back of your neck will stand up. You will never want to go outside again after dark. You will want to lock windows and doors. You think it's a woman getting murdered. I swear to God, it's the awfulest sound in the world.
There's a cool owl too, man, by our
A screech
camp.
owl. There's a screech owl by the camp.
Yeah.
Shane's like, what's that? It's a screech owl. All kinds of weird sounds.
I'll call out to it.
He screeches and it screeches back. It's so cool. Corey says, boy, just chatting is an interesting section to browse. It can be.
There's some crazy things you find on there.
Things sometimes you don't want to see on there, or maybe you want to see them, but they shouldn't be on Twitch. Put it that way. Hey, Shockwave. Past our bedtime? In another 45 minutes, it'll be bedtime.
Yep, so I think it's anyone out there night fishing tonight?
I don't know.
Or around the world day fishing?
Yeah, Corey says I just saw a woman painting her boobs. Yeah. Well, I've seen things way more